Hello, in this video I want to show you how to leave a BIOS in Asrock Motherboard. And to do this we have a few different options. So first one, if you want to leave BIOS without saving any changes, you can click right here, discard changes, and then confirm it. This should turn off a BIOS and proceed with the system start. If you want to save your changes, then click on this button, and here when you click on it you can confirm it, and it should save all of your BIOS changes. You can also, I think, click on escape, and that way you can leave a BIOS without if your mouse doesn't work, and it should discard any changes you've made. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.